Tired of accidentally charging the wrong card when those late-night cravings hit? Let's take control of your Uber Eats payment methods and remove that bank card you no longer want on file. First, fire up your Uber Eats app. Make sure you're logged in, of course. Now, look for the profile icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. This takes you to your account settings. Scroll down a bit until you see an option labeled Wallet. Tap on Wallet. This is where all your payment methods are stored. You should now see a list of all the payment methods you have connected to your Uber Eats account. Find the bank card you want to remove. Tap on the bank card you wish to delete. You'll likely see an edit button appear. Tap this. On the edit payment method screen, look for an option to remove or delete. The exact wording might vary depending on your app version, but it should be clear. Tap that option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the selected card. Confirm your choice. And that's it. The bank card is now removed from your Uber Eats account. You can breathe easy knowing you won't accidentally use it again. Remember to double-check your remaining payment methods to ensure your preferred card is still there. Now you can get back to ordering your favorite meals with peace of mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Uber Eats tips.